Social media is slowly but surely becoming a way of the world. Whether you are 10 years old or 90, you more than likely know how to use at least one type of social media. Our parents and our children probably have at least one form of social media. Whether it be YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. As we dig deep into the different ways to use social media, more and more strategies come about. The business I will be discussing today is Kate's Clothing Company. As this company is based solely off of its social media aspects, we also have stores in 2 different locations. The first social media site that I will be discussing with you today is Facebook. Facebook is a great social chat room, but it takes business to a whole new level. Businesses all over the world can communicate with people through direct message or commenting on posts on the business's page. One of the features of Facebook is that I will be using today is Facebook Live feature. In using this approach, we are able to present live auctions to our customers and they can bid on items that we present right then and there. In this slide, I have provided an example of this posted by the website Impact. By using Facebook Live, Starbucks was able to promote what they are doing around the world to their customers while still doing business and work at the same time. My second social media approach for my business is Instagram. For Instagram, our team has decided to create posts that people are able to call first dibs on to pick up in store or have them shipped directly to their house. On this slide, I have provided an example of a business Instagram page that helps engage their followers by posting an inspiring picture with a caption that leads them back to their business. For Kate's Clothing Company, we would essentially be doing the same thing. We would be using the social media site to post pictures of our clothing along with a picture of an event that the clothing could be worn at. This would give our customers a different perspective on both the clothing and what they would look like wearing it. My last social media approach for Kate's Clothing Company is Twitter. Although Twitter is used by teenagers and young adults mostly, that's a lot of our clientele, and that's where we will get the most recognition from that age group. For my Twitter posts, I would first post discounts that we are having in the store, and once I grab the customer's attention by doing that, I will post pictures of the updated clothing that we have available. In this slide, I have provided an example of a Twitter page found by Namecheap.com that has posted engagements with customers, providing questions that they can answer. So this website was able to provide a question that the customer can both answer and decide not to answer. They can share it, they can like it, and they can show other people's businesses. So Kate's Clothing Company would essentially be doing the same thing. Although social media can often be confusing for some, it is taking over the world, and it's what businesses revolve around to get millennials' attention. Once you have stepped foot into the social media world, there is no going back. Facebook and other social media sites have been known to be addicting to some people. As an approach for our business, we hope to provide the community with ways to look up our business and begin to get a general idea of what we're all about before even stepping foot into our store.